So these are basically the ingredients we're going to be using to make our coffee pancakes. So we have our syrups, our flour and eggs, and also my little plate of coffee. So I'm going to be making two different kind of pancakes because my kids also wanted pancakes. So coffee pancakes belongs to me and the other regular pancakes belongs to my kids. So guys, just follow the instruction you see on the screen and you get a tasty pancake or coffee pancake. I like trying new things because I just love exploring. That's what I'm called, O.G.E explorer. So guys, just follow the instruction and you will get a good tasty pancake. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button and stay tuned to my channel. Thanks guys.